What are we doing here?
Skydiving!
Yeah, excited?
Yes.
You nervous at all?
No.
No.
I'm gonna crush this.
Yeah, you are. You want to say anything else before we do this?
Love you, Mom.
Oh, high five. We'll see you out there.
You're already past me, we just met.
Here we go. Okay.
Thumbs up for the camera. You ready to do a turn?
Oh my God!
And then we fall. Whoa! Nice! You were flying the parachute.
Oh my God!
It's like really intense, but like super bliss, right?
Yes, I feel so calm. This is like the most calm I've ever felt in my whole life.
You want to do it? I think skydiving's like really missing. Harness on.
Hard stop.
Can we still sit it up?
That was a period at the end. No.
Hey. What was your favorite part?
Gliding.
Yeah?
Flying. No, that was and also I was afraid of the twisties, but I actually liked them.
Yeah. That's good stuff, huh? Hey, if you want to jump again, you know where to find us.
I'll be back.
Bring it in.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
That was so fucking
We'll get a picture.
awesome.